so much for 5k. There's a special video and a special giveaway coming up, so look out for that. Hey you guys, welcome back to Liberal Review. I hope you're doing very nice. I'm sending a lot of hugs and positivity to all of you. In today's video, I'm going to recommend you some books that you can buy from the upcoming Big Billion Days sale on Flipkart. The dates are still not announced, but I will update on my community tab here on YouTube and on my stories on Instagram whenever the dates are announced as to when the sale is going to happen. But I just get too many messages from you guys as to which book you should buy if you are like a beginner in the reading world, or how to get like the best deals. But here's something that I want to tell you before going ahead. You guys, it is not important for you to buy books if you cannot in this Flipkart sale. Buying books in a sale is always better than buying it at its full price and all that shit. But at the same time, it is not essential because many more sales will come. But this is a pandemic and we need to make sure that we are spending our money wisely. So please don't buy impulsively. Please do your research when you're buying books, so that you don't buy pirated copies, because pirated copies are not good. It is the copy of an author's work and the author doesn't get paid for it, so it's not good at all. Please don't do that. Then also, you don't need to buy multiple books in order to be a reader. You can get subscription to audiobooks. So if you do like physical books and everything like me, amazing. You do have the money for it, you can spare some money, amazing. But don't stress yourself. Don't buy for the sake of buying books. Please don't do it, because as a reader, the mark of a reader is this intelligence, this self-awareness, that you don't always need to do the things just because other people are doing it. Do it because you want to do it and because you can do it. Now let me talk to you about a few videos that will help you throughout the entire Flipkart sale along with this. One, I do have 3 videos where I'm unboxing a lot of books that I got from Flipkart. In those videos, you will also see whether the condition of the books and how many books are pirated, how many were not pirated, and all those kind of things. Along with that, those were the first few books that I got from Flipkart sale. So you will get book recommendations from there too. So you can check them out. I'm going to leave all these descriptions in all these links in the description. Now, second video that will really help you a lot is this video that I made 1 month back, where I am telling you each and everything I did in my experience to get the best deals on Flipkart. Basically, there are these techniques that you can use that will help you to get good deals, and all those techniques along with my entire experience, tips and tricks to get the best deals, everything is there in that video. So if you are going to shop from the Flipkart sale, then I highly suggest that you do watch that video for sure. I know you need like a lot of book recommendations, and I cannot recommend all the books here in one single video, which is why I'm also going to leave a few links to book recommendations in the description that will probably help you to get more recommendations. In those videos, I've actually talked about the books in a very detailed manner, and it will be really helpful for you. I cannot do that in this video because I'm kind of like trying to make this video a compact guide kind of a thing. But yeah, right, so the thing is that I really tried my best to kind of like script this video, okay, but it is kind of impossible, because I was like, what if I'm not able to recommend all the books that I do want to recommend? Which is why I am going to take you over there towards my bookshelf. I'm actually going to look at my own bookshelf and see the books that you can actually look for on Flipkart, so that I do whatever I can do best in my capacity. But before that, I want you guys to understand different categories under which you can aim to look for various books. And when you do find a book, then you can just read the description of the book, which is there when you buy the book, the summary of the book, or you can just YouTube the review of the book or whatsoever. You do whatever you can to do your best research to make sure that the book is good for you. First category under which we look for good books is looking for books by our favorite authors. So for example, we have like these extremely famous authors such as Murakami, we have Paulo Coelho, we have Agatha Christie, we have Khaled Hosseini, we have John Green. They are extremely popular, and at the same time a lot of people love them. A lot of people have fallen in love with reading because of these authors, and that is the reason I'm taking their name. But there are other very famous authors, and a lot of like my favorite authors too. For example, we have Gillian Flynn. If you have read a book by a certain author that you think you really enjoyed and you would love to explore, then you must just look for that author's name in the search bar and then look for the books and if they are on sale. Next category is the classics in the fiction section. Now you get the best deals on the classics in the fiction section on Flipkart. They'll be for like 89 rupees, 99 rupees, and I shopped a lot of those when I was starting out. 1984, Animal Farm, Pride and Prejudice, Frankenstein, also Wuthering Heights. These are the kind of books that are like super cheap, super duper cheap during the sale. Now the discount percentage is not huge on these books, but they do come under 100 rupees because of whatever discount is there. So this will help you a lot. And just so you know, classic books are a little difficult to read, but they're classics for a reason. If you are a beginner, then you may not enjoy it, but if you are not a beginner and you already like you are in English literature, like you're majoring through it, and I get a lot of messages from a lot of English lit students too. So if you want to get books for that, then this sale will be great for you. Next we have non-fiction classics, and I'm going to leave a link to the video in the description where I'm talking about 7 classic non-fiction books. Now again, if you are just a beginner and you are not looking to like learn these things, then these books will be useless for you. But I'm telling you, these books are gems and they come at a really low price, and most of them are not pirated at all, but they're classics. They've been on the bestseller list since hundreds of years. So we have Napoleon Hill, any book by Napoleon Hill, but the most famous is Think and Grow Rich. Any book by Dale Carnegie, the most famous is How to Win Friends and Influence People. I got that for the first time in this sale only. Then we have books by Richard Koch, The 80-20 Principle. We have books by James Clear, Atomic Habits. We have amazing non-fiction books that are literally life-changing, and they are on sale, and even they come under 100 rupees because of the sale. So they're anyhow cheap. Again, the discount percentage is not extremely high, but at the same time, because of the sale percentage, they come under 100 rupees, and they are pure gems. I am telling you, you will not learn these things anywhere else, and you will have to pay like thousands of rupees to learn these lessons if you are going out to like take a workshop or like do something else and learn from a mentor or something. These books are I cannot believe that these books are out there to help us for such cheap prices. So do check out the video that I'm going to leave in the description, and do look for these non-fiction classics. Next category is a box set. So a box set is like, for example, we have Harry Potter. It is a series, so you will get a box set of Harry Potter, all the 7 books. I guess there are 7 books in one box. Or it is also based upon different authors. So for example, you can get a box set for Paulo Coelho, where his 3 most famous books will be there, where his 7 most famous books will be there, 11 most famous books will be there, and those kind of things. So there are multiple box sets like this, even for Agatha Christie. So if you've read Murder on the Orient Express, because that is the only book that I have read, then you can aim for this box set of Agatha Christie. It will be super duper helpful, and hopefully like they usually have huge discounts on these box sets. Last but not the least, we have unpopular books, and this is literally like the untapped talent of Flipkart, where you get books which are like not that expensive, but they're not popular also. Now this is where you need to make sure that you're doing your research very properly, which means that you are reading what the book is about, you are reading the reviews, you are reading the reviews of the seller also. Probably this book is not very famous, but they turn out to be gems, and I've had so many books like these for myself from the Flipkart sale. Like I never ever saw those books like on Bookstagram or somewhere else, or nobody recommends it or something, but they turned out to be beautiful. So unpopular books are amazing. How to look for unpopular books is, again, you should watch that video for like a whole tutorial. You're supposed to look for like one book that you really enjoy or you have enjoyed before, or you really like, and then you scroll down and you will see you may also like this. Now over there are a lot of unpopular books that don't really appear in searches a lot, but it will be there in you may also like. Alright, coming to the second part of the video. Now this is a list of books that you can look for on Flipkart, and these are the only books that I have and I have read, so I can only recommend these books to you. But there are multiple books out there, so make sure you're doing your research and everything, and I will put some great deals on my Flipkart stories too. So not Flipkart stories, oh my god, what is wrong with me today, on my Instagram stories too. You guys, I know that some of you don't have Instagram accounts, and I do want to like put it over here on YouTube also, but for some reason I'm not able to stories on YouTube. So that is the reason. I'm sorry if I'm not like able to update you here. So yeah, starting with the list, I'm going to read a few books that I already mentioned, because these are the top 10 or 12 books that you must look for. These are the like beginner friendly books, so if you're a beginner, look for these books. First we have I Am by Maggie O'Farrell. Now this was another unpopular book that I got, but it turned out to be an amazing. It is a memoir. The language is very easy, but it is so chilling, and it is 17 experiences with death in real life, because it's a non-fiction book. Then we have The Wives, which is a chick lit. I think it is a chick lit, and it is the story of 3 women and sisterhood and the celebration of sisterhood. So if you want something light to read, then it's an amazing book. Then we have Girl, Wash Your Face. Again, I got it from the sale itself. It is an amazing book for self-worth. Next we have The Giver, a very beginner friendly book. Again, I got it from the sale itself. Next we have Any Book by Khalid Hosseini. Khalid Hosseini books are super duper beginner friendly, and they are super duper amazing, and they're usually on a sale on Flipkart. Then we have I Heard My Voice, which is slightly dark but easy language, again amazing. Then we have Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. It is a non-fiction book, super easy to read but super life-changing. Then we have Forest of Enchantments or Palace of Illusions, which is a mythological read. Forest of Enchantments is the story of Sita, story of Ramayana from Sita's perspective, which is the female protagonist of Ramayana, and Palace of Illusions is the story of Mahabharata from Draupadi's point of view. Then we have Any Book by Kavita Kane. Kavita Kane also writes female-centric books. Kavita Kane writes books about all these female characters that have not been talked about a lot in these different epics. Then we have The Boy in Striped Pajamas, which is again amazing. Again, I got it from the Flipkart sale. It is heart-wrenching, but I do give a trigger warning. It is super duper dark. You won't understand it till you finish the book, but yeah. We have Aristotle and Dante Discover the Secrets of the Universe. I got this also from the sale itself, and my life has changed after reading this book. Not because the book is like inspirational or something, but it is so good, and I cannot believe I got it for such a cheap price. Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod is amazing because it will help you to make your mornings the best, and again it comes at a sale on Flipkart. Any Book by Arundhati Roy, but this is not beginner friendly. Arundhati Roy books are not beginner friendly at all. I got The God of Small Things at a very cheap price. It is by Arundhati Roy, but I haven't read it yet because I did start reading it, but the words are so difficult. You have to like Google a lot. So if you are like an avid reader, then it will be great for you. And along the lines, Lolita, also by Vladimir Nabokov, is again amazing, but again difficult to read. Books by Dan Brown. I got Origin by Dan Brown from the Flipkart sale. Again, they are also super duper, awesome, but at the same time they're slightly difficult to read. So if you want to just start out with Dan Brown books, then Angels and Demons can be amazing, because I remember I read it in school, and if it was easy for me then I'm pretty sure it will be easy only. But if you want to go to a higher level, then Origin, and then we have a lot more books. Inferno, the Da Vinci Code again is very beginner friendly. So yeah. The Woman in the Window is a thriller. Again, I got it from the sale itself. It is amazing. It is again a little difficult to read, but if you can just stick to the starting part of it, try to understand what is going on, then it is super duper easy to read and amazing to read actually. The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas, or On the Come Up by Angie Thomas. Again, amazing books that I got for very cheap. They will also probably be on sale. Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari can be on sale, and it is super informational. It is a brief history of humankind as to how we have evolved, what was there back then when there were like different different species of humans too, and how we have evolved in every field, like religion, politics, agriculture, science, every single thing. So if you want to like know more about yourself, where you come from and how we have evolved, amazing book. I've already mentioned this, any book by Agatha Christie, but Murder on the Orient Express, I got it on a sale, super beginner friendly. Apart from that, a lot of autobiographies are on sale on Flipkart. So it can be Becoming by Michelle Obama, that usually is there on a huge sale, so you can look out for that. Alright, now let's talk about the books that I want to buy, but you guys should know that I'm probably not going to shop from this sale, maybe not, because of two things. One, I need to see the money, and two, because it's a pandemic going on, I don't want to like risk anything, so that is the reason. So maybe not, we'll see how the prices are. More, I think I will, but I'm just blabbering now, but let me just look at my list. We have 40 Rules of Love. Now I do have 40 Rules of Love, but that is my brother's copy, so I want to get one of my own physical copies so that I can just like reread it and just mark it all around, because I have not annotated that book at all. Then we have Death by Sadhguru. I have just seen this book so much, like everyone is reading it and everybody is like freaking out, and everyone is like, oh my god, this is like the best book ever. And I am into spirituality, philosophy, and like non-fiction books, so I really want to read it. And I want to read When Breath Becomes Air. I've been getting the recommendation of this book since years now, because I get the recommendation since I started Libro Review, and I've still not read it, so I want to read it. The Silent Patient is supposed to be a super good thriller. I love dark books, I love thrillers, you guys know I'm like a big fan of dark books, so yeah. I want City of Girls by Elizabeth Gilbert, so that I have all the major books by Elizabeth Gilbert. The Book Thief, again, like a lot of people have recommended it to me and I want it. I want The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. I have read it as an ebook, and I have A New Earth, and I love Eckhart Tolle. So then I want The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. I have read Into the Water by Paula Hawkins, and Paula Hawkins is actually famous for The Girl on the Train, and I saw that there's a movie also of it, but I don't want to watch the movie before I read the book. This is just like a very small list. The list is actually extremely long, but it would also be helpful if you can just comment down below and recommend a book to me that I will look for on Flipkart, and if it is on sale, I will get it. I hope this video was useful for you. Again, you guys, I don't know what sale will be there and everything, so if these books are not on like these prices, or they're not as crazy as I got them, please don't come at me, okay? I did not do anything, Flipkart did it, and I don't even like, I really feel like I'm really lucky that I got those books for those prices at that time. But yes, I hope you guys get good books to buy from Flipkart in this sale. I will update the date on my community tab and on my Instagram stories, so look out for that. And I guess yes, that is it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oh no, wait. Like, share, subscribe, bell button, all those good things. I always forget to say that. Bye.